Do short spurts all over our pumpkin. And take your purple.
Oh, wow.
This is super quick and easy. A great pumpkin decoration.
Whoa, that metallic looks so cool.
Yep, all over our pumpkin right here.
Whoa, that looks cool.
I'm gonna go back with the orange on top. All right, you know what I'm gonna do next?
No, that's why I'm
gonna
watching
take-
you.
Dawn dish soap.
Okay.
And you're gonna drizzle it all over your pumpkin,
Oh, okay.
but make sure to leave gaps. You don't want it to cover it fully.
Okay. This already looks like such a cool pumpkin.
Yeah, and it's super quick and easy. We're almost done.
Really? Wow.
After that, take your black spray paint, pop it off, and spray it all over.
The whole thing?
Yep. Watch this. Get in close for this one. You see that?
Whoa, yeah, I do.
And this isn't even the final result. See that?
That looks so cool.
And right after this, we're gonna walk over to our hose to see the final product.
Okay. Now I'm gonna follow you over this way?
Yep. Nice and easy.
Okay.
We're gonna spray it.
Oh, whoa.
So what we're
Whoa.
doing here is we're removing the Dawn dish soap to reveal the colors underneath.
Dude, that looks so
You see
cool.
that? We gotta
Yeah.
do one more spray.
Yeah, let me get close up. Give me a 360 turn on that boy.
Do a little bit more spray right here.
A little more.
All right. Oh my gosh. Look at that. A
Whoa.
quick and easy DIY. I'm gonna put this on my porch for all the kids to see.
That's like an Easter egg, but pumpkins.
Right? Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.